I'm Chris.
And I'm Kyla, and we're with HumanKind.
We've realized that taking an educational approach tends to help a lot of the individuals who are able to just take this information, spread their wings, and fly. So that's our primary platform, is we want people to have those basic skills to get into employment. But then beyond that, we need to make sure that the people who have those skills are able to get to the interview. So we provide transportation assistance, and that can be a bus pass, that could be a gas card, and then we also now are beginning to offer our new program called Ways to Work. If we find individuals that wouldn't normally qualify for a vehicle that landed the perfect job, but it just happens to be outside of the bus line, we're able to then help them through the process, provide them bus passes in the meantime, but help them through the process of obtaining a reliable vehicle so that they can take that job that pays a couple more dollars an hour.
I typically lead the job readiness courses all the way from how to find a job online and apply, to interviewing skills, how to do follow-up after an interview with an employer to see if you got the job, navigating job offers, and then finalizing with workplace etiquette, how you should act once you got the job to make sure that you keep it long-term if you want.
So primarily our focus was to make sure that we were able to provide people with the knowledge they need to find meaningful employment. So that starts all the way from the beginning. You have a lot of people that have been successfully in a job for, say, 20 years, and then the pandemic came and the whole world changed. So now we're really trying to focus on those basic skills, such as using a mouse and keyboard, all the way through how to build a resume and then how to navigate the internet successfully. Cool. Yeah, we got you.
Okay.